Hey, what's up, y'all? This is your girl Tresey with Treseysworld World. I am in my kitchen today. Nah. I'm in my kitchen today. I'm about to cook. Because if you don't cook, you don't eat, especially when you live alone. Why is grocery so expensive? $141. If I can hold all my bags in my hand with one trip, $141 is way too much. But that's how much it was. So I paid for it because I gotta eat. I don't want to be eating this for a week. But, you know, we gonna make it do what it do. So I'm making some fried chicken. And now I've been inspired to make me a little mac and cheese, you know. I'm not a real big mac and cheese eater, okay? Because I just don't really do cheese like that. But I'm gonna make it with the stuff that I like. And then I probably would like it. You know what I'm saying? I like a little spice, a little this and that. So I'm just gonna make it a little Cajun style. Don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try it. Yes, I am. So anyways, y'all, that's what's going on today. Let's get into it. So my noodles are done. So I'm about to get that prepped. And I'll be right back, okay? I'll be back. Y'all remember Kim Burrell? I'm sorry, I love Sister Kim. Remember Kim Burrell didn't want the lady to sing with her? She was like, I'll be back. I'll be back.
Let that mask work for you. I'm singing along. Lord, I'll be back.
What's wrong with me? All right, y'all. Got my mac and cheese in here. Now we about to get into it. Got my butter. About to get it cut up. I probably made too much because it's just me. So, but I'm just going to make it and we're just going to go with it. Now I'm going to put my butter in. I actually have cubed it. It's all here. Just going to put these cubes of butter in here like so. Put some onion powder. Onion powder. Bam! Not a lot, but like teaspoon. Now listen, I want a little bit of the Cajun taste because I believe in my former life I'm from Louisiana. I'm not, but just let me try the Cajun. I like a little spice, so I'm putting some spice in it because I'm making it for me. All my seasonings is congealed. I don't know why I like, how do you say it, Tillamook? I don't know. I like their cheese. I like the way their cheese is like farm style shreds. I just like it. So anyways, here's my cheese going up in there, but I'm gonna mix it on in there. So I'll use a little Velveeta. Sister Velveeta has entered the room. Hallelujah, Sister Velveeta is going in there. And then I'll transfer it. So this is a transfer of power that's about to go on right now. Monterey Jack with some jalapenos. I know. I like a little spice, y'all. I'm gonna put a couple of these slices in between. Don't judge me. Judge your mama. No, I'm just playing. But I'm gonna do this in between because I like a little spice in my life. I'll show y'all what I'm doing. Y'all see? I feel like with mac and cheese, like use whatever cheese you like. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Gouda on there. We got that Gouda. We got that Gouda. That Gouda. That Gouda. I don't know. Something wrong with me. Y'all pray for me. Pray for me. Don't talk about me. Just pray for me. It's all there. It's beautiful. Now I'm washing dishes. Yes, I do have a dishwasher. But that's the Sherry. That's my mama name. Sherry coming out. She was like, clean as you go. Clean as you go. All right, y'all. So I'm going to take half cup of self-rising flour. I'm going to make my batter for my chicken. You season your chicken the way you want to. You want garlic chicken. You want Lori seasoned salt, little pepper. You want a little spice, add the little Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, little smoked paprika, and smoked paprika is for my batter. But half cup of flour. Yeah, half a cup of water. So this is flour and water. I'm just gonna put it in this bowl with this chicken. And we're gonna massage it. I'm just dumping it in here. I'm gonna put my water in there. It's about half. All right. You ready? Boom. Put that away. We're done with that. We're done with her. And then I'm just going to get this all a nice massage and get all the seasoning in there for my chicken and go with it. All right, y'all. So my chicken, I just use this to give it, you know, to batter it and everything. But it's going in the skillet. It's going to fry, deep fry. But there it is. There it is. Put some flour on her and then drop them in. All right, so I'm putting my chicken in here, shake it up, and then it's ready to go in the hot grease. So it's got batter and batter. We about to drop her in. Like so. It looks beautiful, don't it? Look at that. Just bubbling, bubbling. Okay, let me let it go. We're gonna get a little mac and cheese, get some of the crust, as you know. Oh my God, the crunch. All right, y'all. I'm about to go in. Some more cheese. Gluttony is a sin. So, I ain't trying to sin today. Oh, Lord. I'm so full. Y'all, I forgot to say one thing. Okay. So, I want to say happy birthday to my Auntie Nita. This meal I made for you in observance of your day. Okay? So, I'll be eating it all day on your birthday. Thinking of you. Just pretending like you eating some too. But it's really good, y'all. I'm serious. Happy birthday, Auntie Nita. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, girl. Hope you enjoy your wonderful day. And I'm going to eat on your behalf. So thank you, Auntie Nita, for this lovely meal in your honor. And yeah, I'm going to continue my meal. Y'all, the little jalapenos in there. It's giving. My little Cajun spices. It's giving. Y'all go out and be great today, because I'm about to eat. But whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today. Whatever you want to make, go out and make it today. Try something new. Try something new. It's okay. It's okay. Now, who about to eat all this food? Tell me that.